What's going on, everybody? It's your boy, Sneak Peeker Josh, and we're back again with another heater. Those of you guys that are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share, and even throw some ideas out that you may want to see me do next. So, that being said, tune into this one. So, this video, we are going in a different route. A lot of sneaker heads, a lot of people that just love shoes and have a passion for it, always are asked, what's your favorite shoe? What's your go-to? What's something that got you into sneakers? And even down to what's a grail? Me, I kind of want to talk about grails and start up a lot of conversation with people. So I'm going to give you two different perspectives on grails, and then I'll let you guys see what I'm cooking up. So watch these two. What's a grail to you?
Alright, so in my opinion, I feel like a Grail is that shoe that you probably wanted back in the day. Number one shoe of all time, but you couldn't get your hands on it, probably because you didn't have enough money. But when you finally get access to it, man, is it a blessing.
What's something that got you really into sneakers? Is it the design? Is it a certain shoe? Let's talk about it.
A Grail to me is definitely more than what it costs. To me is that shoe that can't be obtained, that it took you months, maybe years. It has nothing to do with price. When you wait that long and you get it, it's just out of this world. You do have your Grails that are expensive, of course, but that's not what it should be based on. It's about how it makes you feel, the hunt, and what it meant or means to you. That's what a Grail is.
Here's mine. The retro Air Jordan 9 in the black and varsity light olive green colorway. As you guys can see, this is a legendary sneaker. This is the sneaker that got me into all sneakers. Just the shoe that personally had me learn to keep my shoes clean, from the toothbrush, as well as, you know, keep your jeans cuffed nice and neat. That way it sits nice on the sneaker. And, you know, a lot more history behind it. But in terms of this sneaker, the details on it is super clean. It's that nice olive that goes all the way around that toe, all the way back to the back panel. And as you guys can see, that varsity red in the back on this little panel here. I will have highlights above. As always, keep you guys in tune with full details that a lot of people don't like to highlight. And you have that nice 23 stitched in the back. It has a lot of meaning to me. Like, when I see this shoe, it makes me think of all the times I had running wild. I used to trash a lot of sneakers, but when I did get this pair growing up, I was living in California, I would say. It was a sneaker that had me just going crazy. I just never wanted to take that sneaker off until this very day for it to land in my hands. It's pretty dope. It's pretty dope. So shout out to my boy Chris, straight from New York City. Dope vibes. He did plug me in. He had me connected with these once again. And not really connected, we're gonna say reunited with this pair because it's a fire one. And let's get more into details. We have that nice Jumpman right here on that heel that you see. It's in that red tone, and then at the bottom it just has a different vibe. It has a lot of history behind it in terms of that red Jumpman is always classic logo. I never really have the words to explain this design at the bottom, always forget it, but it is a dope concept behind it. And as well, we have that nice Air Jordan going across the tongue in that retro look. So let me know what you guys think. Let me know personally what a Grail is to you guys. Because me, this is my Grail. This is the one that got me in the game and the one that would take me out of the game. None of these Travis Scotts or Supremes or Bapes, none of that sort. But me personally, I thought this is a Grail. You leave a comment, you let me know. Let's start up a real good conversation. What's a Grail to you? Is it a classic, or is it that $10,000 sneaker that is the goal? You know, you push very hard, you know, strive for greatness. You come across that Back to the Future or Carhartt M&M 4, which is $8,000 to $15,000, prices of that sort. So me, I'm good on these. Leave a comment, make sure y'all hit that subscribe, and let's keep this conversation going. So we'll see you guys later, and thank y'all for staying tuned and tapping in. So just know we got a lot more videos on the way, and that you guys see my Grail, my OG, my very first sneaker that got me into my whole collection. Tune in, and we'll see you guys later. Peace.